Aha Bijamaku bụ onye na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. I want to announce that the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp registration is on. Okay, so it is now open. The last time we opened was September 2019. Okay, so registration is now on. It actually starts at the first week of February. The registration is now, okay, and there is a deadline for registration. So bootcamp, if you do not know, is my group coaching where I coach people in little groups of 3. So this is coaching for people that are committed. So if you're committed, you really want to speak Igbo and connect with your family and pass on the language to your future generation, then the bootcamp is for you, okay? Get on, have a look and see what it looks like, and get on the phone. Let's talk, okay? Before you enroll, I want you to make sure that it is the right fit for you. I don't just want you to enroll just like that, okay? So you need to know more. So click on the link below this video, get more info, get on the call, ask your questions, and then make your decision to join us or not to join us. Whichever one, it's cool, okay? So the bootcamp is open. It's group coaching where I coach people in little groups of 3, okay? And the kind of people I coach in this group are people that are committed. So if you're committed to speaking Igbo, committed to speaking, not just learning, you want to grow your confidence in speaking Igbo so you can connect with your family, you can connect with your identity, then the bootcamp is for you. Click the link below, get more information, and find out how you can register and join the bootcamp. One